Being able to use the potential form flawlessly can take your Japanese skills to the next level. In many languages, expressing possibility is as simple as adding an extra word, but in Japanese, it requires verb conjugation. This video will help you master the potential form in Japanese. So, what is the potential form? It expresses the ability of someone or something to do something, but it can also indicate availability. In Japanese, most potential forms cover both meanings, ability and availability. There are a few exceptions, which are explained in another video. If you're interested, check out the video that explains the differences between 見られる and 見える, and between 聞こえる and 聞ける. You can find a link in the description below. So, how do you form the potential form? It depends on the type of verb you're working with. As you may already know, U-verbs, also called regular one-verbs, usually have slightly more complex conjugation rules than Ru-verbs or regular two-verbs. Here's the rule for U-verb or regular one-verb. You need to replace the last U sound in the dictionary form with the E sound plus ru. For example, 遊ぶ meaning to play becomes 遊べる. Let's look at a few more examples. 会う means to meet and becomes 会える. 話す means to speak and becomes 話せる. 飲む means to drink and becomes 飲める. As for Ru-verbs, also called regular two-verbs, rule is to replace the last Ru sound in a dictionary form with られる. For example, 食べる means to eat, and it becomes 食べられる. Let's look at some more examples. 出る means to exit and becomes 出られる. 見る means to see and becomes 見られる. 着る means to wear and becomes 着られる. We also have two irregular verbs. する means to do and 来る means to come. する becomes できる. 来る becomes 来られる. Although we have these rules, we speak differently sometimes. Instead of 来られる, we often say 来れる to mean can come. Ru-verbs and regular two-verbs are often spoken without ら. For example, instead of 行かれる means can go, we say 行ける. These expressions tend to be used more often in specific regions or among certain age groups. There are a few more important grammar points you need to know when you use potential verbs. First, all potential verbs are Ru-verbs or regular two-verbs. For example, 飲む is originally a U-verb or regular one-verb, so that its nai form is 飲まない, but 飲める is a Ru-verb or regular two-verb, so its nai form is 飲めない. The second point is that in a sentence, when you use a potential verb, we often change the particle お to が. For example, 日本語を話します means I speak Japanese, but when you use 話せます, then we say 日本語が話せます. I can speak Japanese. It's not wrong to say 日本語を話せます, but we would more often say 日本語が話せます instead. Let's look at examples. 山田さんはあまりお酒が飲めないんですよ. Mr. Yamada can't drink alcohol much. 明日は天気がいいからゴルフができますよ. Because the weather will be nice tomorrow, we can play golf. このレストランでお寿司が安く食べられます. You can eat sushi cheap at this restaurant. As you can see, using が instead of お in potential sentence sounds more natural, especially using できる. There are some important grammar points about 見られる and 聞ける in a separate video. The link is found in the description below. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. You can also participate in daily quizzes from the community section. If you have any requests for Japanese grammar to be covered, please leave your comments in the comments section below. To learn Japanese language more seriously, visit my Udemy courses through the links below. Thank you for watching.